We just crossed over 3,700 subscribers on YouTube and 34,000 followers on Instagram. With all these new people, I figured it'd be a great time to do an update on the garage build, show you where we're at, and then take you through the next steps and have you vote for what episode you want to see next. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. It's here. As you can see, we've got the house sided, we've got the garage sided, we've got the lights up, we've got a lot going on that I want to fill you in on. And with all the new people, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing. My name is Sean, and this is my journey on building my garage. And hopefully you guys can take something from that and learn from my mistakes. That's the biggest thing we do on this channel is I try something, if it doesn't work, I tell you, and then we get back to figuring out a different way to do it. So let's flip the camera around. Let's go through a walkthrough of the new garage and show you what's new since we did this the last time. All right, guys, so as you can see, the house is sided, the garage is sided, and let's get into these garage doors over here. Huge shout out to our sponsor, Cloplay Garage Doors. These things look awesome. It's given the house an awesome modern look, even though it's kind of a craftsman style house. And we've got these modern looking lights as well. So for those of you who are new, the whole goal with this garage is to do a large garage area. We're about 42 feet deep by 27 feet wide. And so there's gonna be a 2-post lift over here. And so it'll be kind of work zone, daily driver parking, and the lift in the back. And then over here, we've got a little TV mount. We'll have a workout area right here and mechanical room in the back. Then over here, and pardon the mess, we are going to have a wash bay area. And so this will be, detailing wash bay area. We've got our hose coming out of the concrete here for soft water. We've got outlet for a water heater. So the pressure washer, the vacuum, everything will be kind of mounted on this wall, and this will be our detailing bay right here. We also have the door to the house. So this will be the main door to enter in. And then we have the covered patio area over here. So let's take you out here. A lot has changed. And the big thing is we've got all the cedar up on the ceiling. We've got our surface mount lights. We're just waiting on the fans. We do have those here. We've got the TV mount right here. We've got the gas line coming. We've got the gas line here, and we've got the outdoor cabinetry coming. So that'll be a next episode as well. We've got the house completely sided. We're about to start prepping to prep this area for the patio to kind of connect from this covered patio area over to the kitchen and breakfast area. So we are going to start prepping that. So that is kind of the next steps here. And you can kind of see, you can see on the camera as well, we've stained all of this lower wall, and we're just finishing staining the ceiling for the cedar. So let's take you upstairs and show you what we got going on up there. These are the magic stairs. If you haven't seen the episode, I'll link it above, but these retract up and get out of the way, so you don't have stairs kind of taking up floor space in your garage. So let's go upstairs here, flip the light on. And so this area up here is pretty much going to be dedicated to storage. We've got an 18 feet wide by 42 feet long. It spans the entire garage. And then over here, we have our media rack area. We've been doing a lot of work back here on the media rack. And so, turn this on over here. So we've got our PoE switch, and we've got our amplifier for multi-zone audio. You can't quite see it, but we've got the Tomb Weem Pro Pluses in the back for the multi-zone audio. We'll get a third one going for the outside zone over here. And you can kind of see back in this crawl space here, we're gonna have a lot of electrical to do for the do-it-yourself lighting. So this is kind of the overview of the garage. We've got those few spaces. We've got this upstairs loft for storage. We've got the main garage bay, which I can show you over the edge right here, where the lift is gonna go. We've got the daily driver parking spot. And then over here, down below, we have the wash bay area. So, for those of you who are new, that's an overview of where the garage is, what we're doing, where we're going. And you can see here, we've got some multicolored LED, addressable LEDs for the garage that we're gonna be putting up as well. So stay tuned for an episode on that. So like we did in a previous episode, which you guys really enjoyed, we're gonna give you the opportunity to choose which episode comes next and which one you wanna see first. We've got a lot of projects going right now. We've got the do-it-yourself garage lighting, we've got the outdoor patio area, we've got this mechanical room. So the three options I'm going to give you today are, number one, how do you build out your mechanical room? And so if you want to vote for that, vote for number one. Number two, I showed you the multicolored LEDs. If you want to see an episode focused on that, number two, put that in the comments down below. And number three, building out the patio outside. We're going to do some outdoor cabinetry. We're going to put the fans up. We're going to do some stuff out there. So if you want to see that, put that in the comments down below. 1, 2, and 3, you guys choose. Thanks so much for watching Detached Garage. I hope you'll subscribe and follow along with the rest of the build and the journey. We're gonna do the workout area over here in a little bit. We're gonna put the wall coverings up. We are going to get the wash bay situated, get the pressure washer mounted, vacuum, everything like that coming up. There's a lot more to go. We're about a year into this project, and I thank you guys so much for your support, your questions. I hope you all are learning so much. I know I am along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The more garage things you like, the more the algorithm will feed you garage things. So even if you don't like this channel, but you do like garage things, give us a like below. Thank you so much for watching and following along with this journey. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching Detached Garage.